Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to start coaching business with a free TagMango account. There are three steps. In the first part of the video, you are going to learn how to create a free account. In the second part, we are going to learn the dashboard walkthrough. Finally, I will give some details about how to get help from myself and from my team, which is a real-time help. So friends, there is a link below the video for creation of a free TagMango account. If you click on that, you will get this type of environment. Here you should give some name, enter some email ID, then phone number. Get started. Agree for the terms and conditions. So please check that one, then get started. It will show you some OTP. Once you enter the OTP, it asks about. There you should give some information regarding to yourself, when you started your coaching business, yearly your earnings, and who referred you. It is optional. You can mention my name if you join using my link and some other information. You can only fill the star marks there, remaining you can leave it. And finally, confirm. That is the registration part, how to start your free journey with respect to TagMango. In the second part of the video, we will learn the dashboard. So we will see how the dashboard looks like. In the left side, we will get the everything. We need to learn each and every tab, what it says and how it redirects. Each and everything we will learn. That is the dashboard walkthrough. So friends, if you see in the left side, we have analytics. So how many transactions, how many checkout pages and broadcast page views, courses, each and everything is available in the tag Mango. So it is a graphical representation. You can check. Mangoes are the memberships or courses or payment links. So if you see here, if I share here one of the mangoes, right, from here, they pay by agreeing terms and conditions. Next comes the courses. So here we should upload our courses. So if you see, we have uploaded two courses and they are by default, they are going to get access if they register to one of the payment pages. Workshops. So in the right side, in the middle of the page also we have workshops. Both are same. So here how to schedule workshop, everything we can do here. So if you don't know, you can watch my other video. One-to-one consultation. So events or bookings, each and everything are available here. So that also you can learn by watching some other video in my channel. Next we have sales. It shows the how much earnings we have earned here and how many transactions. Details are clearly available if any transactions happen through this dashboard, and subscription based also available, and with the trial how much total balance, and with the trial and with the run, everything can be seen here from here. Friends, if you observe, these are my total with the trial till date. Here in free account, we can create or use only 4 free templates. Remaining are premium. Website builder is not allowed for this free account. Storefront I have already created and I have shown in one of my videos. You can check here. So storefront is the showcase of your products or a mini website. So how many customers, you can get the details here, and how many leads or any drop-offs you can also check here. When it comes to marketing, we have broadcast. So how to do email broadcast, WhatsApp broadcast. Notification is only for the app. Banners, it is completely for a paid version. Coupons, how to create coupon, everything I have created in one of my videos. So any unsubscribed users, you will get here, but it is locked. It is for the premium base, for the premium people. So automation, it is also locked. Email automation, everything, WhatsApp automation, how to do WhatsApp automation, certificates. After completion of course, how to send a certificate, everything you can do here. Platform integration if you had automation. So this is with the other third-party apps. When it comes to partnerships, it is completely disabled here. And when it comes to points, gamification, leaderboard, badges, feeds, everything is for the advanced plan people. Platform settings, it shows the which plan you are there, right? So you can check the details if you are a premium user. Android app also available for the premium users. Let me show my account in paid version. So friends, if you get this, my apps are live in the Google Play and Apple iStore. So security. So it shows the login sessions. See here we can manage the number of maximum sessions per user. So I have given for one for mobile, one for laptop. So we can give up to a number of users at a time for using a single session. So after doing that one, give the save option here. Here we have reported content. So anything we have reported in our community that will be visible here. So blocked users also here. We can see if we have blocked any customer in our dashboard. So completely some of the features are available and some of the features are disabled for the free platform. So team management, it is disabled here when it comes to paid user like me. So you can give the name here. You can add the name and phone number and country name, email, and give the access like admin access and restricted access. If you want to give particular membership, you can also give particular membership. So that features also available here. So I have given few people and cloud. So friends, this is the storage, how much storage you have used. So here in my free account, I have used only 0.3 GB. In my paid account, almost 28.6 GB. In the final leg of features or dashboard walkthrough, we have billings and plans. So it shows the which plan you are there. So it is basic feature, 10% commission and 2% convenient fee. So when it comes to myself, I am in the ultimate plan, which is the 0% commission and 0.95 Indian PG and 4.5% commission of international. So these are the differences. So these are the tax reports. So friends, overall, this is the TagMango dashboard walkthrough comparing both free and paid plans. In the final step of the video, we have how to get the help from the team and myself. So friends, very simple. We are running WhatsApp group for real-time help. So you can check the link in the description and you can follow my YouTube channel. That is what you are watching the video right now. And we have Instagram channel. You can check that in the YouTube description. And I have personal number that also you can directly connect. That is also available. These are the methods how to get help from me and my team. Apart from this, we are running one website like this for new members, how to start each and everything. So you can do the start from this video, that is right now what you're watching. After that, you can see each and everything which is created in a stepwise manner. So just observe the details and click on here and you will get the one YouTube video. Suppose I am clicking here, it redirect to here. This is the benefit what you are getting from this website. So if you want to know more about the details, you can also use this tagmango.net website. This is the website. In the starting of the website, you can check the details. If there are any offers, you can click here. It will be available here. I will update each and everything in real-time manner. And tutorials, this is the website. And features, pricing, each and everything mentioned. If you want to start for free, you can also start from here. These are the ways how I'm helping the people. And once you join the WhatsApp group, you will get to know the maximum help, how I'm helping and my team helping, or other people are collaborating among themselves. Thank you so much for the support and watching the video till end. See you in the next video. If you love the video, please give like and subscribe to my channel.